Delem DA-58T is a solution that brings your production to the next level. A 1.5-inch touchscreen and clear DA Touch interface allow for fast program creation and intuitive operation. 2D graphical programming lets you preview the process before starting the machine and better prepare every part. 5. Access control and advanced correction functions ensure consistent quality and repeatability. The tool library with visualization simplifies setup, reduces preparation time, and minimizes errors. Bending simulation and automatic sequencing speed up operations and improve overall efficiency. With USB and Ethernet connectivity, along with offline software support, you gain greater flexibility in production management. Delem DA-58T is a smart step toward more efficient and predictable manufacturing. See our machines in the showroom or at customer sites. Contact us and check availability. Use higher-level Delem controllers.